Okay, first question, read the file stored in your storage. So this is the main. The main is where the UI. I place all the UI in the main method, and then the read file. This code tells the program to read file, how to read file, what type of file, and then this is how the program will use the file. It will select dataset directory, and this is how the program will open the selected file. So when I run it, this is the output. So when I try to upload my dataset, project datasets, and then I click one of the PDF file, and this is the content in the PDF file. And let's try P10. This is the content, P8, this is the content. So this is all the content that is not being processed yet. So question 2 is read all the file, process and construct the Tf-Idf. So we already know read file, this file, so let us talk about the process, all the process code and compute the Tf-Idf obviously. So process text for all files. This is where the program know how to process the file for all file. And then this is the process text for selected file. And then okay. And then this okay. And then how I process it by using words, tokenization, stop word, filtered words, port to stemmer, and stem words. Okay, and then I will save the file in the process file, and so that I don't need to process every time I want to check the process content file. This is how the program know which one to choose if I want to process one file or all file. This is how the program will compute the Tf-Idf. So it is automatically know where the process file, and then this is how I compute the Tf-Idf using vectorizer, Tf-Idf matrix, feature names, Tf-Idf result, and then I will format the Tf-Idf result so that and then this is how it will display the output. So for the UI, this is where it will show the output in the file content, and then the buttons. Okay, where's the compute? Oh, this one, compute Tf-Idf. So this is the output from the first. It will show how to upload the game, yada yada yada. I'll speed it up. And okay, so open save the file. We know everything is unprocessed, and then I try to process all file. This is the process file. Okay, so I will compute the Tf-Idf for all of it. This is the output. So for question 3, rank the text file based on the given query. And then we already know all of the method in question 1 and question 2, so I will talk about rank file by query. Okay, it will automatically know where to find the file for the process file, and then I save the process file in txt file, text file, because why not? I just want to try if I can use it. But if you want to try this code, you can change it to the PDF file if you want. And then So this is how I rank the file by using the similarity. Then this is the UI and the buttons. This one, the button rank file by query, and then also where the user input the query. This one. This is the code for the UI, and then I try to run it. So try process it again. Copy the query one, and then try to rank by the query. So we know that Tf is the highest one, have the highest similarity with the query one. So for query 2, that's it. So the highest similarity is P7, 5 P7, and then for query 3, the highest similarity, I'm sorry about that. Rank 5 with query, the highest is P2. So that's all for question 3, I think. So question 4, compute all frequency set for the given query. So this is the method I use, the code. Then this is the term set. I try to generate all possible term set for the query. I tell the program how, and then this is where the user can enter the threshold. So I try to show it lah. So I enter the query 1 here, and then this is the similarity threshold 2, and then this is the frequent set. For threshold 2, let's try another threshold number 3. So this is the set for threshold 3. How about 1? So this is the threshold for 1, and then let's try for query 2. For query 2 with threshold 1, this is, and then query 3. I want to speed it up because it's already 8 minutes. Okay, this is for threshold. So for question 5, compute the position of the retrieval system at any position. So this is my code, and then that's it. Let me delete it first. Okay, this is the k value. I put the default value there, and then let's try it. Position k value. Let's do 3 and file by query, and then at 3 the position is 1. So let's try at 5. The position is also 1 at 5. So that's all from me. If you want to code, you can take it from my description down below. And thank you for listening my humble video.